US Air Force has significantly increased funding for the development of advanced engines intended for sixth-generation fighters, awarding upgraded contracts to both General Electric Aerospace and Pratt & Whitney under the Next Generation Adaptive Propulsion program. These contracts, originally set at $975 million each, have now been expanded to a $3.5 billion ceiling per company, extending the development timeline until July 2032. Initiated in 2022, the Next Generation Adaptive Propulsion program initially included contracts for Boeing, Lockheed Martin, and Northrop Grumman, alongside the two engine manufacturers. General Electric and Pratt & Whitney had previously worked on the Adaptive Engine Transition program, which explored options for replacing the F-35's current F-135 engines with more efficient adaptive cycle alternatives. Though the AETP was officially cancelled in 2023 in favor of upgrading the F-135, Congress later allocated additional funds for its continued research. The new next-generation adaptive propulsion contracts will support the refinement of next-generation engines, with General Electric's XA-102 and Pratt & Whitney's XA-103 evolving from their respective XA-100 and XA-101 designs. These adaptive cycle engines can dynamically shift between operational modes, enhancing either power output or fuel efficiency to extend range. General Electric has claimed that the XA-100 provides 10 to 20% more thrust and 25% greater efficiency compared to the F-135. The ongoing work includes design, analysis, rig testing, prototype construction, and integration with future combat aircraft. Although the primary objective of next-generation adaptive propulsion is to develop propulsion systems for the next-generation air dominance fighter, its future remains uncertain pending a strategic review by the incoming US administration. The review, conducted throughout 2024, aims to reassess next-generation air dominance's development strategy to ensure it aligns with evolving threats and budget constraints. With projected costs of $250 to $300 million per next-generation air dominance aircraft, 3 times that of the F-35, the Air Force is considering a more cost-effective, multi-platform approach. Rather than focusing solely on a manned sixth-generation fighter, the revised strategy may emphasize a distributed network of capabilities. This could involve integrating unmanned drones like the collaborative combat aircraft, which are significantly cheaper at $20.6 to $27.5 million per unit, alongside bombers such as the B-21. The shift reflects a broader effort to develop an adaptable, cost-efficient system that leverages both crewed and autonomous platforms.